Good morning, Wolfpack. I hope you all had a great weekend, even though, it was cold outside, wasn't it? So I hope you have your thinking caps on and are ready for today's Minds On challenge. Last week, Mrs. Stupor introduced us to word problems and a 5-step plan for solving them. This week, we're going to dig a little deeper into the planning and solving strategies. So for today, to get things started, we're going to try something a little different that we haven't done in a while. It's called I Notice, I Wonder. So what I want you to be thinking about as I read these two different columns for you are some of the things that you notice and some of the things that you're wondering about. So let's start with on the left-hand side. It says, Malcolm Gladwell said, researchers have settled on what they believe is the magic number for true expertise, 10,000 hours. The journey towards becoming an expert student begins in grade 1. Most students spend an average of 180 days a year in school and 5 hours each day in the classroom. Assuming that you attend school every possible day, in what grade would you become an expert student? So that's what's on the left. Now let's talk about what's on the right. On the right-hand side, it says 5 hours per day times 180 days per year equals 900 hours per year. Then below that, we have what looks like skip counting, 900, 1,800, 2,700, 3,600, and so on and so on. And you can see that the last number, 10,800, is circled. Then we have a statement here. It says, therefore, at some point in grade 12, a student will become an expert student because they have spent at least 10,000 hours being one. All right, so don't feel like you have to solve the problem on the left. Just think about what you notice and what you wonder. What are some of the differences between what you see happening on the left and what you see on the right? So just like all of our Minds On challenges, I want you to take 20 seconds to think to yourself. Think about what you're noticing and what you're wondering. You can pause this video if you'd like. After you've taken your 20 seconds to think to yourself, find someone to talk to, someone in your household. Maybe you're chatting. You can tell them what you're thinking about and share your ideas with one another. Then when you're ready, we would love for you to take a picture or make a video and post it to FreshGrade. We love to hear your thinking. You can also share with us on Twitter. Can't wait to see what you come up with.